Hey everyone, it's Chris coming to you, and today I wanted to talk about lost wages during your personal injury case and how when you are injured and then you have to go to appointments, for treatment, things like that, and then you have to miss work because of it, and either miss work and not get paid at all, or miss work and use up PTO or sick time or vacation time in lieu of actually, not getting paid during that time. And so the way we look at it in the personal injury realm, though, is but for the accident happening, would you have actually had to miss that time at work? And the answer generally is no, you would not, because you wouldn't have to go to those medical appointments or, kind of in things like that, or that your injuries wouldn't be so severe that the pain is keeping you from going to work. And so what we call that then is lost wages. So you lost wages because of somebody else's negligence, because somebody else hit you or because you had a slip and fall or trip and fall where you then could not go to work. And so you should be able to be compensated for that. But the struggle is then what happens then while you're treating or while you're kind of going through your case, what do you do? Because the issue is that you actually don't get paid out until the very end of the case when you get compensated then at the very end for those lost wages. So during that time, you honestly have to get a little creative. You have to, either look at, finding if you have some money set aside or saved, probably use that. If you have to, in lieu of the money that you would have made, if you have to ask family or friends. The other things we always want people to do is look and see if they have med pay here in Colorado, and use that med pay to help pay for your visits and things like that, because then that'll help you out in the long run as well too. But honestly, it's a moment of getting creative and being as patient as possible. And it can be frustrating as all get out. So it's important then to understand that, as part of that frustration, that you have a good team of people to talk to at your law firm about what to do and kind of how to go forward. And then also to make that lost wages claim, you want to make sure then too that we've got pay stubs that prove what your hourly rate is, showing days that are missed. We recommend people keep a small calendar on days that are missed and why. Or even if it's just, if you only missed half a day because you went to an appointment later in the afternoon, that you're keeping a calendar of that as well to set yourself up for success that in that sense. Also, if we need to, then what we'll also do is get an affidavit from your boss or employer that'll state, how much you make, how much you usually work, your average hours, things like that, and then how much you have missed due to the injuries from the accident. And so that's kind of how your lost wages claim will work. And then we come up with a total amount of time based on, and then also multiply that by your hourly rate, come up then with a dollar amount to ask for in settlement or in negotiations. And then ultimately, if we can't finalize that, then through litigation. And so that's your lost wages claim and how that works today. I wanted to address that with you all, how lost wages work during your personal injury case. If you guys have any questions at all about lost wages, feel free and reach out to us. We're happy to chat about it. Hope everybody's having a good day, and we will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye now.